Are you hungry?
Give me something good.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Görgött. Today we're making something I saw lately. It's a Japanese chef. I'll put the name here. That just brought out a very nice cookbook. I'll put the name of the cookbook here. And it's a very simple dish. It basically has 3 ingredients. And it looks amazing. I've never done it myself. I've never eaten it. So it's a premiere today. But before we get started, as always, please click the subscribe button. Check the little bell icon if you want to get up on notifications when new content comes online. But let's have a look at the 3 ingredients. We have some squid here. Well, I'll calculate 2 to 3 per people. It's just a starter. So I have 3 per person. I'm cooking for 2 people. We have some white miso. And we have a lot of nice fresh peas. To season we have some salt, and to decorate we have some savoury. It's actually called bean weed in German, Bohnenkraut, but I looked it up and it's called savoury in English. So I'll start with this work. Will take a bit. It's like you have to get in and get all the nice peas out. That's what we want. So let's get going with that. Now, I'm not going to bore you with the whole process of this, but you just open them up, scrape out the peas, and there you go. Opening them up, you just kind of break them. If you're lucky, you can do like this as well and just squeeze them out. Some are smaller, some are bigger, but that's what you get in nature. So we're coming to the end. Second last one. And last one. Last one, nice and big. There we have it all. Now we boil these in water for about 3 minutes. And I have the water boiling already. Put the timer for 3 minutes and then we wait. Now, don't pour all the water out. I will pour some here in the miso. Like that. And the rest you can pour out. I will transfer them to a bowl. And I want to keep for serving, I want to keep a couple. So I just put a couple on the side. Mix the miso and the water. Pour it over, get the miso out. And now we're ready to mix. We might need some more water, but we'll see. Always keep your hand on top. That should be enough, and that's why you cover your hand. I still got some of myself, but that's life. If you have like a standing mixer, it will for sure be a cleaner job. And now all we need to do is to add a little bit of salt, like a pinch of salt. 2. Mix it and give it a bit of a taste. Perfect. We'll put that to the side and we'll get on with the squid. So what you want to do with squid is there's always some cartilage in it. I hope you can see it, it's see-through. And you pull it out. There's also always a beak that you can, normally you can just squeeze it out. Yep, you see, there it's coming. Take that out as well. Did I get the whole thing? Yeah. Now you want to get rid, you don't have to get rid of the ice. I mean, you can cook it with them. I wouldn't necessarily eat the ice, but you could cook the ice. I'm just gonna get rid of them. We have our mouth part and we have our top part. I'm not taking off the skin and I'm not emptying it out. Like when you make deep fried squid, like these rings, you should take off the skin, clean the inside as well. But for this dish, it's fine. There we are. Our squids are ready for the grill. Before we put them on the grill, we just need a little bit of olive oil on them. Preheating it with the pan in it. It's 450 degrees. It will just take a minute on each side. I will try to not burn myself. And in. Already smells really nice. You have to be careful that you don't burn yourself because this pan is going to be really hot. Take it out. Turn them around. A bit windy outside, as you can see. And put them back in for another minute. And I think they look quite nice. I would say we're ready. Let's go in. It still smells really good. Crazy. Plating up. Do whatever you want. I like a bit of a nice green puree. Put some of these on here. It's crazy how you can see how small everything became. There we are, and then just some peas around. And there we have it. Let's give it a try. And as stressful as life can be sometimes, I forgot the savoury. I'll just put some of that on here. It's not only decoration, it gives a nice taste as well. As I told you, in German it's called bean weed, Bohnenkraut. So that's enough. And I'll put some salt on as well. Now, let's go for it. Yeah, 3 ingredients. The peas, the white miso, and the squid. And you can get something looking so nice. Mix in a bit of that. The sweetness from the peas, the saltiness and kind of tanginess from the squid. Perfect. A really nice spring, early summer dish. And that's what it's all about, you know, get inspired, look at cookbooks, look in magazines, watch TV shows, look on YouTube, and get inspired from other people cooking stuff. I mean, the original recipe for this, instead of this savoury, you had wasabi flowers, which is great, but I just cannot get it in Switzerland. So you kind of get inspired, adapt to what you have around you, and then make a beautiful dish. Well, that's it for this time. As always, if you stuck with me this far, there must have been something you liked about it. So do me a favor, click the thumbs up button. And if you haven't done so yet, the subscribe button. But thank you very much. Take care. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Give me something good.